Hey, start interview.
Good afternoon. All right, let's begin. Question one. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, I am Dipanshu, a full stack developer from Delhi. I completed my diploma in computer engineering from MIT, followed by my graduation in BCA. After that, I joined IntelliPath full stack development course, and now I am focused on full stack development. For development, I use React and Tailwind for my front end. For my backend, I use Node.js and Express, and for my database, I use MongoDB. One of my design projects is personal finance tracking app that extract data from PDF and so categorize spending through visual representation or dashboard. Right now, I am improving my backend skills and aiming for a full-time role in full stack development.
All right. Question two. What are custom hooks in React and why do we use them?
In React, custom hooks are user-defined hooks that allow us to use stateful logic between multiple components. We use custom hooks to reduce code duplications and improve code duplications and improve code reusability. It also improve our code performance and it is clean and easy to maintain.
Got it. Question three. What's the difference between useState and useEffect?
UseState and useEffects both are the most commonly used hooks in a functional component in React. UseState is used to create and manage state, and it is store data. It uh, it has two matter. It has two properties. First one is state, and second one is set state. State refer to the value, and set state is used to set the value of a state. On the other hand, use effect is used to perform side effect operations like timer, API calling, to update document titles, and it is also used to perform React lifecycle method mounting, updating, and unmounting. It also has a dependency array that 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 is used to decide the rendering condition of a user.
Understood. Question four. What is package.json?
A package.json is a configuration of files in any Node.js project. It contains the information like project name, project version, mm, project title, project author, and also dependencies, scripts. It helps npm to manage packages and run project scripts.
Okay. Question five. What is CORS and why does it occur?
Course is stand for cross origin resource sharing. It is a browser security mechanism that prevent application from accessing resource from another applications uh, unless it is explicitly allowed by server. Mm, Fourth, it occurs when the front end and the back end both are running on a different domain, ports, and protocols.
All right. Question six. Explain MongoDB CRUD operations with examples.
Mm, in a MongoDB, CRUD operations are the basic operations that are used to change our data. It is the stand for create, read, update, and delete. Create is used to insert our document, and it is performed by insert one and insert many. And read is used to retrieve data from documents, and it is using by find and find one. Third one is update. Update is used to modify existing documents without replacing the entire one, and it is done by update one and update many. And the fourth one is delete. Delete is used to remove a document from database, and it is done by using delete one and delete many.
Okay. Question seven. What is Flexbox and why do we use it?
Uh, Flexbox is a CSS layout system that allows to arrange our items and elements either in a row or in a column. We use CSS Flexbox to arranging our items and distributing evenly space or arrange those items as we want. Flexbox is easy to use, and it reduce the complex CSS positioning styling.
All right, final question. What's the difference between position, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky?
These are the four types um, to describe our CSS layout positioning. And first one is relative. It remain in the normal form, normal data flow, and it is change their position relative to their original position. Second one is absolute, and it is removed from the normal document flow and normal, normal document flow, and is based on the nearest parent position. Third one is sticky, and third one is fixed. Fixed. It is also removed from normal document flow, and its position is related to direct to the browser viewport, and it is fixed whenever even we have to scroll the uh, scroll our web page. And fourth one is sticky. It is like a relative it is like a relative, and when we have until it reaches the specific scroll positions, and then it work like a fixed element, fixed position.
Thanks. Let me run through your feedback here. Here's your detailed feedback. Question 1. Tell me about yourself. Score 8.5 out of 10. It's well structured and relevant. You covered education, stack, and goals. Just a few grammar spots like extracts and categorizes. Question 2, custom hooks, 8 out of 10. Good explanation of reuse, readability, and separation. Just be careful about claiming performance improvements. Question 3, useState versus useEffect. 8.5 out of 10. Solid coverage, dependency array mentioned was good. Instead of two properties, say returns to values. Question 4, package.json. 8 out of 10. That's correct and clear. Question 5, cores was a 9 out of 10. That was one of your strongest. Just watch minor grammar. Question 6, MongoDB CRUD. 8 out of 10. All methods were covered well, but there was a small slip with find one. Question 7, Flexbox. 8 out of 10. Correct and understandable. Question 8, positioning. 9 out of 10. Very nice improvement here. Just avoid mixing fixed and sticky when you describe them. Overall, 8.5 out of 10. This is definitely your strongest round so far. Your concepts are solid. Just work on smoother English phrasing and fewer self corrections. If this were a real fresher MERN interview, you'd be in a strong position to move forward. Nicely done.
Thank you.